Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a 1300 watt steam cleaner. So I'm going to show you guys what this is and how this kind of works here. And so I'll show you it. This is going to be one of the steam nozzles. And I guess we have a little funnel to fill it up with. And then a water reservoir as well. And a bunch of different tips to clean with. Here's a bigger one here. If we want to steam some clothes with that, we can use that one. And here we go. Here's the steam unit. Here's I guess this is how we can hang everything up with that. And then another little nozzle there. So there's all our different pieces and parts. Let's open this up and give this a try. So this is how it all works here. And so this is it here. So it comes with this little starting nozzle, and I'm gonna guess. So if we wanted to put things over it, we would do. Does it go there? Do we have to pull this off to get it? Might have to look up some instructions on how it works. There we go, like that. So now I would have this type of a nozzle. Well, let's see what we got here. So here we're gonna open this up, and I think this is where we're gonna have to put some of the liquid in, which is why we have the funnel. So let me go fill this up here. Okay, so now we have the funnel in here, and then we have our cord as well. So let's plug this in, as we're going to do that here in a second. But let's fill this up. I don't know if you can hear it filling, but it is. Okay. And then we will plug it in. And we're going to have to screw this closed because that's where it's going to keep its pressure from. So this is going to be the pressure release valve as well. So I think once it gets too much pressure, it'll come out of there. So if there's not an on, I think it's just on by default. But let's see what we get in here. So let's check out some of these nozzles here before we get too far along. So in here we have looks like a little cleaning pad that will go maybe on this. So when we clean stuff, we can keep it clean. So that will give us the ability to clean, through that. Here's the other nozzle here, so we can stick this nozzle on there. There, like that. And how are we doing here? I hear it going. It's starting to pressurize and heat up as it's going. So let's see. Let's look at the instructions and just see what we're missing here. So we did fill the water tank correctly. And then we have our steam button, safety cap, nozzle. We have all our different things here. Oh, that's a window squeegee. This is a window squeegee. That's what that is. I thought it was going to be a hanging thing, but it's a window squeegee. Oh, and I guess maybe something's hooked up to it. Ah, this one here. So if I don't have this on here, we could put this on here somehow. There. Like this. And there, now this will be a window squeegee with steam. I think we're starting to get, there we go. So there's steam. So we got steam already. So I don't know how long it's been. Woo, that's hot. So that's got some hot steam. So we could use this for cleaning around the edges of things. So if I want to sanitize here, I could just totally sanitize the edge of my stove with this, which has never been done. Ooh, I can smell it. I wonder if it's just making it clean. But I can, you can use the steam for whatever you want to clean. I like to clean things around the car, like sometimes in the little handles, and stuff like that. They just get gross. You can use it for that. You can use it for whatever. So steam cleaning things is great. You can steam the clothes and the windows and stuff with different things that you have as well. So like this one here that would be good for steaming your windows, so you can steam the windows and then squeegee it off. That's kind of cool too. And then here you could just use this alone and just steam some clothes. That is a lot of steam. I don't know if you guys can see all the steam coming out of there. Let me back up. That's a lot of steam. So it totally puts out a lot of hot steam. So it does a really good job, a lot of steam, and you've got the different nozzle tips and things too, so I could take that one off. And if this one's on here, I could probably put this on the end, and I could steam, little stuff, to get into little crevices with this, slightly larger crevices with these ones here, and this one here to get around the edges. So really cool device. And so if you need a steamer, this is the one to get, man, because look at all that steam. Now my shirt will be nice and flat. So totally awesome. I like it. Thumbs up for sure.